Welcome, today in front of me POCO M5S, and I'll show you how to add the remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should slide with our two fingers at the same time to the center, and then we'll see here this widgets icon. Just here we can see all of the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the weather or the calendar widget. Just we can see here two different types of the widgets. This is the full month view and the shadow. Just to add the widget, we should hold it and just drag it to the home screen. If you want to resize it, you should just hold it for a while, and now we can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to move this widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it. This is not enough space on the screen, or just to create the new screens, we should hold it and just drag it with our finger. If you want to remove it, just hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.